Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Brittany. So in today's video, I want to show you 3 homes that I deem affordable in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. Now, all 3 homes are listed for under 18 million Jamaican dollars, and for Kingston, that can be quite affordable because you do have 1 bedroom starting from like $26 million in Kingston. So I wanted to show these homes. They're great starter homes, great starter apartments and units. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. All right, the first apartment I want to show you is this one listed for 18 million Jamaican dollars, and this is located on East Avenue in the Kingston 8 area. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment. Now, if you're interested in this home, you will have to click the link in the description bar to speak with the realtor and fill out that information to do like showing and so forth. But why I really wanted to show you guys this home in particular is because it has been recently renovated. Now, lots of persons are really interested in doing fixer-uppers. Even though I like to show them to you guys, a lot of persons want something that's move-in ready, ready to go, updated with modern the features and so forth. And this one has been updated and renovated recently by the sellers of this home, and I think this one is a great pick for someone who does not want the hassle or who does not want to attract like extra cost of going in and doing renovation. So this one looks move-in ready, so I had to show it to you guys, and it's in a great area. Now, if you're familiar with West Avenue is that road that runs from Lindsay Crescent going up to the stoplight at Oaklands to connect back to Kingston Spring Road, and it is basically adjacent. East Avenue is basically adjacent to West Avenue, and now East Avenue is like a turn off from the road that Queens is located on. So if you know that road that Queens School is located on, it's just like a turn off from there. So a really great area. You're near to Kingston Spring Road, which is like a great area for commercial buildings, offices, restaurants, shopping malls, schools. So really great area. The complex is a bit like older complex, but as I said, renovations have been done, and that would make it a really great fit for persons just starting, just a starting life, first little home. This is a good one. And also, for it to be your start home, afterwards, this one would be good for rentals because the Kingston Spring area is one that attracts a lot of renters. So again, link in the description box if you'd like to reach out to the realtor and do any viewings for this home here on the East Avenue in the Kingston 8 area. And guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload a video first. I know some persons have been saying they haven't been getting my notifications, but guys, you have to turn on your post notifications, all right? Okay, so the next home I want to show you is listed for 17.5 million Jamaican dollars, and it's located on Kensington Crescent in the Kingston 5 area. This too is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment, and the link for the realtor will be in the description box down below. So there are not much pictures I can show you with this one, you guys, but I can tell you that the area is a good one again. So this Kensington Crescent area is located just off Lady Musgrave Road, and Lady Musgrave Road is basically just outside of the New Kingston area, and that's where you'll find like Kensington Crescent too. So really close to the New Kingston area, really close again to Kingston Spring, not Kingston Spring Road, the Crossroads area, Old Hope Road, all just near that stretch where you have lots and lots of businesses, shopping areas, restaurants, everything at your disposal here. So if you are interested in this one, a link will be in the description box down below to contact the realtor. The complex does have 24-hour security, elevator, and also the maintenance is low. It's only $7,000 for maintenance. So this is another good one that's great for starters, and it will also be a good investment property in the future. You can rent this one out. Alright, so this is the last apartment I have to show you guys today, and it's listed for 18 million Jamaican dollars, located on Shortwood Road in the Kingston 8 area. So this is also a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and the total area is going to be 505 square feet for this apartment unit. If you're interested in this one, reach out to Petula Salmon at the number listed on the screen and in the description box down below. Now, the Shortwood area is one that is well sought after because it is a really great neighborhood, one of those ideal Kingston neighborhoods that's really known for its safety, its closeness to like shopping areas, restaurants, schools, and it is like a really well desired area. So this apartment is actually priced pretty decently. I would say really pretty decently priced for this apartment. As you can see, it's one of a bit of an older apartment unit, but nonetheless, you know, still seems to be in a really great area, still seems to be like a well-kept apartment grounds, which is always good to know. There are definitely some renovations that you'll have to do inside this apartment, especially in the area of like the restroom. Like I would definitely go in and make some renovations there for sure, but still not in the most terrible condition. All right. Now, with these homes in the areas like Shortwood Road, in Kingston 8 especially, they definitely hold their price, and I can tell you that renting in these areas would actually be like pretty expensive too. So you know that in the future, if you are ever to rent this one out, you know, because this one would be good for a start, you know, it wouldn't be your forever home. You would actually see, you know, some good money for renting out this unit. Again, if you're interested, you'll contact Petula Salmon, and her information will be in the description box down below, and also you'll see it on the screen as well. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload a video first. Don't forget to follow me on all socials at Safe Haven. That's on TikTok and Instagram. Guys, remember, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any uploads. I have tons of videos coming for you guys in the next coming week, so look out for that. And until my next video, thank you guys for watching, and bye.